Hello. We are Green Team. And true to our commitment to create products that do not leave a footprint on the environment, we present you another innovative material. Biovitalio. Our material emerged to make real the goodwill of users and consumers, who, nowadays, still believe that they pollute less by using cardboard cups and plates, which are made from a material called polypaper or PE1 and PE2 coated paper. But, what is polypaper? First, let's clear up a myth. If you think that by using a paper or cardboard cup you are helping the planet because you pollute less, you are making a serious mistake. The material of that cup, if it is for a hot drink, has a plastic layer on its inside. That is why it is called PE1, which prevents it from leaking or spilling. On the other hand, if the cup is for a cold drink, it will have another layer of plastic on the outside. That is why it is called PE2, which prevents damage from moisture that adheres to its walls. To make it easier to understand, it is called polypaper because the paper is coated with multiple layers of plastic. Unfortunately, companies are aware that it cannot be recycled because it is impossible to separate plastic from paper. And neither will it be able to biodegrade, since the paper is encapsulated between layers of plastic. And they know that since you perceive it as paper or cardboard, they can continue to use it indiscriminately. Only in America. Every day, more than 25 million cups are used. And nobody is going to recycle them, and they are not going to biodegrade. Even though you deposited it in the recyclable container, thinking that you were doing something good for your community. Appealing to consumption without guilt has been the greatest commercial strategy that companies have used for years, until some governments put a brake on it, exchanging that plastic coat for compostable options such as cornstarch, which at least proposes a way to break it down industrially facilities, but is still far from being truly biodegradable and even further from being recyclable. So, the next time you take a selfie with your favorite brand of coffee cup, remember, your cup will be 15 minutes in your hand, but hundreds of years on the planet.
But in Green Team, we always take these challenges. And since we are experts in the good, we solve that terrible problem. We created Biovitalio, the first bio-coating paper that provides real benefits and solutions, which are tested and certified by the main laboratories in the United States and Europe. With this, we provide the world a real solution. But why is Biovitalio a real solution? What certifications does it has?
First, Biovitalio is certified compostable with a European standard norm, EN 13432. Second, we have the first certification in the continent for soil and garden biodegradation, so you can use it for planting, and it will naturally decompose in 12 weeks, without leaving microplastics. Third, we use virgin raw material, therefore, the material and the coating are in compliance with the food grade standards for the United States FDA. And fourth, Biovitalio is certified recyclable by laboratories specialized in fiber studies, that the paper used is fully recovered while the coating is solubilized without leaving microplastics. This will make it easier for governments, businesses, and consumers to manage their waste, contributing to zero waste.
Now, the governments have the option of separating them and for treatment in composting plants. You can also help the planet by using your own hand, since you can use it as a plant pot and then plant it without having to remove it. Or you can organize together with your community to reforest in common areas or areas that have been affected by the felling of trees and cut and burn agriculture. Last but not least, take it to recycling plants so you can give it a second chance and return it to a circular economy. We invite you to visit our website. If you have another idea to give it a second use, please feel free to contact us. We know that all ideas are important. We will be pleased to hear yours.